Dear students, welcome to Edu Allrounder channel. Today we try to solve your social science question paper exam held today. Social science term 1 exam. This question paper contains 60 questions. Out of this you have to solve 50 questions. First we will go through the section A. Industrialization began in which of the following European countries in the second half of the 18th century? Answer is England. D. Which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? Conservative. Which one of the following group of countries collectively defeated Napoleon in 1815? Option A. Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. In which one of the following countries did the first liberalist nationalist upheaval take place in July 1830? Answer A. France. Who among the following remarked, when France seizes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Metternich. Who among the following was the architect for the unification of the Germany? Otto von Bismarck. Option A. Who among the following had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian Republic during 1830? Answer C. Giuseppe Mazzini. In which one of the following state is overgrazing the main reason for degradation? Maharashtra. You also check the answer. If any answer you feel incorrect, please comment in the comment section. Identify the soil which ranges from red to brown in color and saline in nature. Arid soil. Which one of the following forces leads to maximum soil erosion in plains? Running water. Deforestation due to mining has caused severe land degradation in which one of the following states? Odisha. Option A. Who among the following was proclaimed king of United Italy in 1861? Victor Emmanuel II. Option B. Which one of the following subject is included in the United Union list? Communication. Option A. Which of the following elements is not included in the Belgium model? D. There is community government which has special power of administration. It is not included. Option D. Which one of the following countries is the example of holding together federation? India. Option B. Which one of the following ethnic communities is the majority in Sri Lanka? Sinhalese. Option D. Which one of the following subject is included in the state list? There is some confusion. I have written business. Please check the answer. Those who are able to answer, comment in the comment section. Activities that help in the development of primary and secondary sectors come under which of the following sectors? Tertiary. Identify the correct feature of the unitary form of government from the following option. The subunits are subordinate to the central government. Option D. At the initial stage of development, which one of the following sector was now most important of economic activity? Primary. Activities in which natural products are changed into other forms come under which of the following sectors? Secondary. The products received by exploiting natural resources come under which one of the following sectors? Primary. Option D. Which one of the following factor is mainly responsible for declining water level in India? Overutilization. Option D. Which one of the following subject is included in the concurrent list? Marriage. 24th D. Now we move on to section B. Two statements are given below. Assertion A, reasoning or. Read the statements and choose the most appropriate option. Here, after Russian occupation in Poland, the Russian language was imposed on its people. Reason, the use of Polish soon came to be a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. Option B is the correct answer. Read the facts regarding the revolution of the liberals in Europe during 1848 and choose the correct option. I have chosen only the option C. Two statements are given below as assertion here. Whereas in Silesia had led a revolt against contractors in 1845, contractors had drastically reduced their payments. Option A. On which of the following modern aspect did the New Germany place a strong emphasis? Here is a confusion. I have chosen answer D. Which one of the following Italian states was ruled by Italian princely house? Sardinia, Piedmont. You may identify the characteristic of Cavour among the following and choose the correct option. Option B, 1, 2, 3 are correct. 31st, the two statements are given below. Here in Britain, the formation of nation state was not the result of sudden upheaval. Ethnic groups of Britain extended its influence. Option D is the correct answer. Because in Britain, the formation of nation state was as a result of sudden upheaval. Therefore, answer D is the here correct. And then we go to the answer 32, which among the following is not a problem of resource development and equitable distribution of resources? Which one of the following human activities has contributed most in land degradation? It is deforestation. Option A. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning here. Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high value crops. This will increase the income and reduce environment degradation simultaneously. Option A is the correct answer. Two statements are given below as assertion A. Majority community is dominant in few democratic states. Here, dominance can undermine the unity of the country. Here, answer B is the correct. Two statements are given below as assertion A reasoning. Here, power sharing is good. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Option A is the correct answer. Here, choose the correct pair among the following. Argentina, federal, is the correct. Two statements here. The distrust between Simolis and Tamil and reasoning are here. A is the correct option. 38 A is the correct option. 39, identify the horizontal power sharing. Here, different organs of the government. A is the correct answer. 39, match the following. 40, match the following. C is the correct answer. Which of the following countries is an example of coming together federation? United States of America. What is not an integral part of government? Office of the Prime Minister. Here in 43, Kerala has low infant mortality rate. Kerala has adequate provision for basic health and education facilities. A is the answer. 43, A is the answer. 44, I am going little bit fast here. 44, C is the correct answer. 45, which one of the following sectors show the highest share in the gross domestic product? Primary. 46, which one of the following sectors show the highest share in the employment? 46 also A. Now we will move on to the section C. How is primitive subsistence agriculture related with zooming? Answer A. It is based on shifting cultivation. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Conuco in which one of the following countries? Venezuela. Option A. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Roca in which one of the following countries? Brazil. Identify the major problem of zooming cultivation, low production. 50. Option D. In India, slash and burn agriculture is known as Bewa in which of the following states? Madhya Pradesh. 51B. Match the following column. Here answer A. Which one of the following economic sector is Lakshmi related to primary? Case B. You read the case B and my answer is primary. A. 53A. 54 medium. B. 55 in which of the following sector is under maximum? Agriculture. 56 how does construction of dams and canals create employment? Here C. 56C. 57 which one of the following is the main result of increasing irrigation facilities in the field of agriculture? Increase in production. Which one of the following means of irrigation generally comes under the public sector? Canal. Section D. On the outline political map of India, A is marked as a dam. Identify it from the following option. It is Hirakud. Map is given here. You have already seen it. Here, the answer is C, Hirakud. On the same map, B is also marked as the largest jute producer state identified from the following option. West Bengal. Same questions are repeated here for visually impaired candidates. Now I am completing this question paper discussion. Please reply in the comment if you feel any of the answers are incorrect. Those who are seeing our channel for the first time, subscribe and continue to watch our videos. Thank you, one and all.